The Clarke CS6-9D floor standing belt and disc sander and finisher makes an invaluable addition to any DIY or professional workshop. It performs the role of two tools in one. The disc is used for precise edge work, such as miter joints and truing outside curves. The belt allows you to flatten faces and edges, shape contours, and smooth inside curves. Strong, sturdy and reliable, sitting on its robust steel stand, this quality sander is ideal for use with wood and most plastics. The 6-inch or 152mm wide belt can tilt and lock at any angle from 0 to 90 degrees. Belt tracking is simply adjusted using the tracking knob on the side of the machine. It has a powerful 1.5 horsepower, 1.1 kilowatt, 230 volt motor, which runs the belt at 5.8 meters per second for a super smooth finish and rapid stock removal. The 9-inch or 228mm diameter disc rotates at 1500 RPM, and two effective dust ports are built in to minimize mess. Standing at over a meter tall, the CS6-9D is supplied with a 300 by 150mm sanding table, which can be fitted for use with either the sanding belt or the disc. It can tilt up to 45 degrees, and the distance from the sanding surface can be easily adjusted. A sliding miter guide fits onto the table in either position for greater control and precision. Replacement sanding discs and belts in a range of grades are available from your local Clarke stockist. The CS6-9D is constructed from robust cast iron and aluminium for rigidity and a long life. Weighing in at 40 kilograms, it is stable in use. Safety features include a finger guard on the belt, full disc guarding, and a locking no-volt release on-off switch. The Clarke CS6-9D belt and disc sander finisher will make a perfect addition to any workshop.